Alright, in this video I will show you how to change your micro SD card on the Samsung J3. Alright, let's get started. So this is very easy. Same as my previous video. If you saw that on how to change the battery, you want to find this tab here on the side of your phone, Samsung J3. You don't need any special tools, just need your thumbnail. You're just going to pry it open like this, all the way to the bottom. You want to keep using your fingernail. Okay, so for this instance, I want to take the battery out. Okay, and then here's your SD. Okay, so this is the slot for your micro SD card. What you're gonna do, so now that you've located the slot for the micro SD card, is your micro SD card right here. And you're just gonna install it facing up like this, with the contacts down. And you're just gonna slide it in just like that. You can put your battery back in. And you're gonna close this back up. Sure you seal everything, and there you go. And that's how you installed your SD card, micro SD card, into the Samsung J3. Alright, hope you guys like it. Make sure you check out my other video with the changing of the battery if you want to see that, which is pretty much the same method. So yeah, leave me some comments. If you guys have any more questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.